morning children. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is area. In our previous video we have discussed perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around the boundary of a figure and area is the amount of surface covered by a figure, covered within a figure. Suppose this is a rectangle given to you and you have to find the area. It is a space occupied within the figure. This is area. Yes, this is a square and if you have to find the area, then this is the area. This is the space occupied within the figure. This is called area. Now, why we find out area and how we find out area, let's see. Firstly, when you purchase a carpet, suppose, and you will how much meter or how much length should be of the carpet to set into the room, then for that you have to find out the area. Then if you want to paint your room, आपने पूरे room को paint करना है, then you have to find out the area of room. Then only you will know कि how much, what will be the cost of painting that room. Yes. One example I had already given to you. Like suppose if you have to do flooring of the room, आपने अपने room पे tiles लगवानी है. Yes. Then you have to find out the area. Yes, these are the examples when we find out the area. Perimeter we use to find out when we have to fence the boundary of the figure. अगर हमने अपनी fields में boundary पे fencing करनी है या हमने net लगानी है अपने ground पे, boundary पे, something like that. But when we have to find out area, जब suppose करो आपने अपने room पे room paint करवाना है. Yes, room paint करवाना है. और then some examples, आपने flooring और tiling करानी है अपने room की. Yes, और suppose you have to purchase a carpet, आपने carpet लगाना है अपने room पे. Then you have to find out the area. Yes. Now what are the formulas of finding out area of a square and rectangle? Let's see that. Now first formula is area of rectangle. Formula of area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. In perimeter we used to add it, but in area we used to multiply it. Length is this and breadth is this. Suppose the length is given to you 5 centimeter and breadth is given to you 4 centimeter. So what will be the area? 5 into 4, 20. Now children, the unit of area is centimeter square. In perimeter the unit was centimeter or meter, but unit of area is centimeter square or meter square. Yes. Now next formula is area of square. Side multiplied by side. Suppose the side of square is given to you 4 centimeter. So what will be the area? 4 multiplied by 4, 16 centimeter square. Yes. Now third formula is area of triangle. Half into area of rectangle. Why we are doing half? Because rectangle is half, triangle is half of rectangle. Yes. When we do half, this forms a triangle. This is triangle. This is second triangle. Yes. So what will be the formula? Suppose the length is given to you 3 centimeter and breadth is given to you 4 centimeter. So half into area of rectangle का क्या formula होता है? Length into breadth. Yes. So what is the length into breadth? 3 into 4. 3 4 का 12. Half into 12. Cutting करेंगे 2 1 2 2 6 12. So it is centimeter 6 centimeter square. Now at last, what we have studied today? Today we have studied that area is the space occupied within the figure. Figure के अंदर की space is called area. Suppose this is a room. ये एक room है. हमने अगर यहाँ पे tiles लगानी है पूरे room के अंदर, तो what we will find out? We will find out area. ये tiles कितने number tiles के लगेंगे? कि हमारे रूम में अगर हमने टाइल्स लगवानी है तो कितनी टाइल्स लगेंगी. देन वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट एरिया. सपोज दिस इज अ रूम और अगर हमने इसमें पेंट करना है और हमें पेंट की कॉस्ट फाइंड आउट करनी है, पूरे रूम में पेंट करना है, सो देन अगेन वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट एरिया. यस, वन मोर एग्जांपल. सपोज दिस इज अ रूम और अगर हमें अपने रूम में कारपेट लगाना है तो कारपेट की कितना मीटर कारपेट, कितना लेंथ का कारपेट लगेगा. देन वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ रूम. Just we have studied this area and these are the examples of area. And one more thing, we have discussed all the three formulas of area of square: side multiplied by side, area of rectangle, we have studied length into breadth, we have studied one more thing, area of triangle, half into area of rectangle. And one more thing, that unit of area is centimeter square or meter square. Clear?